Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you today what is my routine during the day as a homesteader, a housewife, and a full-time worker. It's possible. It's difficult at times, but it's possible. Of course, I start my morning routine in the bathroom, and then I go straight to the kitchen to prepare lunches for both my husband and myself. And it takes some time to prepare everything, make sure we have our drinks, our vitamins, and everything packed before we head out the door. And after I prepare my husband's lunch and my lunch for both of us for our work day, I change into my chicken coop boots or my outside boots and start getting ready to take care of our chickens and get them out because they are eager to get out in the morning. We have 2 chicken coops. My husband built both of them, and we wanted to separate the breeds. One of the breeds has a rooster, and we are planning on breeding our own chickens, hopefully in the near future, not having to purchase chickens. And I'm going to show you how practical these coops are. Now in the summer, when it's very hot, both coops serve almost as a chick-chaw. They have a hardware cloth at the bottom, so it provides ventilation while the chicken are sleeping, and it's also very easy to clean because every morning I hose down the bottom of the coop and all the poop comes down to the ground. And when nighttime comes and chickens are ready to go to bed to sleep, they have a very nice and clean coop where they sleep. And with the heat of the summer, all that poop that has come down to the ground is going to dry out, and there's not going to be a smell in the area. As you can see, the bottom of the coop has hardware cloth, and here I am hosing down all that poop. It takes me about probably less than 5 minutes in the morning to hose each of those poops. And during the winter time, we put a rubber mat on top of that hardware cloth and cover it with some pine shavings, and we do some deep litter method, and I remove all that pine shaving every 3 to 4 weeks and replace it with clean ones. While I am hosing down the coop, I let the chickens free range, of course with supervision. There is a little fenced area around that grass, but I like to let them eat grass. They really enjoy that. They are always looking forward in the mornings to go out and have some access to grass and bugs and scratch the ground and forage for little bugs that they can eat. They really enjoy that. And here I am hosing down the second chicken coop, and getting it ready for the rest of the day. And now I have to hurry up and go change myself, shower, change clothes, and get ready to get out the door to go to work. Pick up my food, my lunch bag, and start driving. And on my way to work, I stop at church. I like to start my day in the morning with the Lord. I go to church, I go to Mass in the morning on my way to work, spend some time with the Lord. Here I am going to be arriving at church. And see you after Mass. All right, Mass is over, and now I'm on my way to work. And I want to show you one last picture of the chicken coop. The chickens love it. They really enjoy it, and it's very fresh, especially in the summertime for them to sleep. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. And I look forward to sharing with you more of our homestead life and more delicious recipes of food that you can cook at home and enjoy and share with your family. Have a wonderful and very blessed day.